In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can buy Tether, in another word USDT, in KuCoin. So for those people who do not know Tether is a stable coin. So if you guys don't know what stable coin is, then basically Tether is a stable coin. Why is it called stable? Is because its value is backed up by US dollar. It means when you're buying one Tether, basically you're buying one US dollar. Now as US dollar's value doesn't go up, doesn't go down, like you buy $1, it's going to be $1 after 10 year, 20 year, it's going to be $1 whenever you look at it. All right. That's what Tether is. When you buy one Tether, it's going to be $1. I mean, its value is going to be equal to $1 even after 10 year, 20 year. That's why it's called stable coin. And you guys can easily buy it in KuCoin, because KuCoin is a crypto exchange, and a crypto exchange is a place where you guys can buy and sell crypto, right? And KuCoin is the world's third most largest crypto exchange after Binance and Coinbase. So you guys can easily buy it over here. So let me show you guys how you guys can do that. But before that, if you guys are new to this channel, it's me, Kevin, and you're watching One to Step YouTube channel. And don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on, so you guys can get notified for our future video. And if you guys have any question, you can ask us in the comment. Let's move on, shall we? First step is you want to go to KuCoin.com and log in into your account. Then you want to go on trade. Once you go on trade, you want to go on spot. I like spot trading rather than margin API because it's easy in spot. Once you go on spot, basically you want to click on this arrow looking icon over here. Once you click on this arrow looking icon, you want to search for USDT. Tether is also known as USDT, so don't get confused. Now it says USDT/USD/PAX/USD, which means which currency you want to use to buy USDT. So I want to use USDC to buy USDT, so I'm going to click on USDC. Once you do that, it's going to take me over here. So I'm going to be buying USDT using USDC. So once I'm over here, I can enter the amount of USDT I want to buy. So let's say the value of one USDT is around 0.999 on USDC. So I'm just going to go on market because I want to buy it on the market price. So I'm going to use around 30 USDC. So for 30 USDC, I'm going to get around 0.999 into 30. Do that. That's how much, USDT I'm going to receive. Once I click on buy USDT, I'm going to be buying USDT, which means my USDT will be transferred into my KuCoin account. So yeah, that's basically how you guys can buy USDT, in another word Tether, in KuCoin. So hope you guys were able to understand the video. If you guys did, then don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on, so you guys can get notified for our future video. And if you guys have any question, you can ask us in the comment. I'll be happy to answer, guys. And thanks for watching the video until the end. It's me, Kevin, signing out. Stay tuned to our channel, One to Step, for future videos.